Oh no! So you're like recording the ground.
Yeah.
Joe! A picture!
Oh no!
Well, at this point, you guys already had to fish out of the water. He was
did we?
taking the hook off.
Oh,
It was
okay.
over.
Yeah, Joe really took care of me on that one. That was so awesome. And the fact we were able to kind of team up together and catch the fish and, you know, like reel it in the right way and all that good stuff. It was awesome.
Come on, where is it?
He's ready to go, man.
Don't mess around anymore. Right here?
Yes, it was, yeah, I saw it rise. It jumped for a fly right down there.
Cast out for it, man.
Okay, here
You did it.
we go. Where's that?
That's it. I didn't tie a dropper on.
Oh, you did not? Oh, okay, all right. So.
But if they're going for dries, that's all we need.
Shit.
Right there?
Yes.
Try again. Was it further?
It was right there.
But it really was right there.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Put it a little bit more straight in front of you. Let it drift down there. That's fine. Okay. That's a fine cast there. Come on. You need to be more up and down there, Kevin, not sideways. There you go. Perfect. It was right there.
No, to the right.
A little bit more line, maybe.
No, it was like, oh shit. It was right there by the vehicle.
Oh, right by the vehicle.
Yeah, it just jumped out right there.
Vehicle.
What's that?
You need to be closer to the vehicle,
No, because it's right there to my right.
like past your fly, closer to the vehicle.
Yeah, that's it. That's where it was.
Are you seeing him jumping in?
It's down that way.
Good.
Like right there.
Did you see him jump?
Then I did.
Right there. Oh.
Like right in there. There we go. Whoa.
I have you.
Thanks, God. I like lost it there. Oh shit, don't tell me I did that to myself.
That's okay. Okay, you got it. The fly is still connected too.
There we go. Damn
So
it.
that's the side. You're casting sideways. You're gonna get caught if you keep casting sideways.
Anyway, he just jumped right there. That's
Again?
all it was. No,
Oh, okay.
before.
Okay, let's see if we can get this out.
That was my bad all the
No,
way.
no worries. Can you get that, Sheridan?
Maybe. Do you think that truck is stable for me to step on?
Yes. I could get down there.
Just grab the branch and pull it towards you.
Joe, I am an expert at getting these flies.
Well, it's on your hand, so.
I stay in the bushes so often, you know? I'm essentially a pro at retrieving flies. Unlike you, who's an expert caster.
Yeah, he's an expert caster. Oh yeah, I guess you would be really good at it. So anyway, there was a fish that jumped right there, Joe.
Darn. You're too slow to get to it, huh?
Yeah, maybe. You okay there?
But yeah, I was just using that flies for fish. That didn't work.
Those look like some pretty good pools down there, huh?
Yeah. We'll just walk down a little bit further, keep our eyes out. Man, there's cars everywhere.
Must have been a catastrophic moment.
I think they put them here intentionally. Kind of like what you were saying about putting steel.
Rep. Yeah.
crap.
Could be.
I've seen it before. Where they put cars.
So I don't know if something like this is good or not, you know?
This looks like a great spot right here, honestly. See how it kind of eddies right here and slows way down?
It does, yeah, for sure. All along in here.
We should come here. It's even closer than the airport. Okay. Let's keep walking.
Yeah, Joe, if you knew the amount of time I spend in the bushes when we go fishing,
Uh-huh.
you know, you don't know because we're separated, right? You know, like he's off fishing, Joe, I'm off fishing.
Yeah.
I spend so much dang time retrieving flies and bushes.
That's private property there.
Oh.
Is that what it is? Let's see what it says. No, it's just closed to motor vehicles.
What does it say?
Just closed to motor vehicles.
Oh.
No camping. Montana fish. Oh. Hey.
Hi.
Excuse me. Good luck fishing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's such a cool shoe. Yeah, that's awesome.
It's like somebody went down here just a minute ago. Something,
Yeah.
look at all that water. Or whatever it is.
Dogs jumping out here.
Dogs, you think? So you think that's worth casting out to, Joe?
Let's just keep going, and if we see another riser, we'll fish for that. We'll get a nice walk out of this.
That's one hell of a dead tree, huh?
should have grabbed your phone, Uncle Kevin.
I know, right?
Your
That
camera's so much better
that
than
camera
mine.
would have been so sweet, right?
Yeah. Just thinking that videos I did take and pictures I took, it's not nearly.
Wonder what makes that water, the soil wet like that right there.
Yeah.
Is there something coming out from under there? There is, right? Or I mean, water.
I did see some people like throwing sticks out to their dogs earlier around here.
Yeah.
Could just be the dogs climbing up right there, being all wet.
Yeah, there you go.
Any fishies?
You got a flow. I mean, the river's moving right out there. There's a current going this way. So maybe there's some fish out there, you know?
One of those logs would be a decent spot.
Try it.
Why don't you get out there and do your magic, Joe?
Should we try it again?
Yeah, do it. Since I'm so sucky at casting, I like just watching him cast because he's so, it's like he's just got it connected, you know?
He sure is good at it.
Oh yeah, you can tell. I'm just happy. I mean, I was doing better at it back when we were just practicing when you were gone, and then it kind of it goes back to where I was doing it shitty. One minute I'm going, oh man, I'm getting way good at this, and then all of a sudden I go, God, I still suck. You know?
Yeah. Sure is tricky.
Yeah.
Well, and you get like bursts of wind, you know, and it's just
You get the wind, you're cooked.
yeah,
You know?
it's so much harder.
You know what spot's looking pretty good? See where it's really dark out there, way out towards the edge of the river?
Mm-hmm.
And then there's that little ripple
Yeah.
before that.
Oh, sure.
I was thinking like right there.
Oh, I don't know if Joe has seen that yet.
Yeah, maybe not. Because where he has, I don't know if he's got room to cast out that way further up. Because this water looks great because it's so, what do you call it? It's so deep, you know?
It's amazing how quickly deep it goes.
Yeah, I can't wait to put this memory stick in there and check out how it looks when we're catching the fish. It's gonna be cool as shit.
Yeah, absolutely. It'll be really cool.
What's that?
This is fun. It's fun catching fish.
Oh yeah. You know, the thing about all this activity is that I started getting tired. I'm going, God, I'm gonna sleep so good tonight.
Yeah.
Hopefully I sleep on the plane, you know? Because I'm not getting there until 11:44, so I'm gonna get to the house till probably 12:15, 12:30. Be one tired dog.
It's a long day for you.
Yeah, when I get tired, what happens is I start sounding like this, where I'm a little froggy.
Yeah.
I go, hey man, what's going on?
Sean's gonna pick you up and be like,
No, I don't. I brought my car.
oh really? Okay.
Yeah, because he got in late and I went up early. Hey, let's walk up here. Is this line caught or what's he doing? I say, what's he doing?
I think he's calling it quits.
Is he calling it saying screw it? So we were with not worth a crap.
It's just hard.
It's hard to cast from there.
Hard to cast into there. This is steep and hard to back cast it.
Is there any way, hey Joe,
Yeah.
would there be any way to cast like go from pointing that way. So you can like walk up this way about 10, 12 feet, and then you can,
Hello.
yeah, coast up river and let it float down. Just come up about another 10 feet.
I might be able to cast it.
No, just, I'm just saying if you cast, walk up 10 feet from where you're standing to your left,
Yeah.
and then cast it to your, and then cast it upriver to your left, out in that current, from right there, yeah. And then you got all the room in the world to cast from there. Just do what you always. There you go. Oh yeah. Yeah, you get a really good float there, man.
Will it walk with it?
Shit. You're almost to that bush or that tree.
Yeah.
Skip it. Uh-oh. Did you get caught in that weed? Oh. You want to hand that up to me?
I got it.
Oh, okay.
Maybe at the other side of this tree we can.
You know, we saw over there, it almost looked like that same spot past this tree that we were at, where I caught that fish.
Uh-huh. Oh, it's right over here?
Yeah, up there, a little further down to the right from where you were, that junked up tree is.
Oh.
Maybe not, huh?
Oh, tough to fish out of here.
Hey Sheridan, watch out for that hole. Watch out for that hole.
I'm glad we identified those holes because you know where to dump your trash.
Guess not. That's where I was talking about,
Yeah,
where it looked
it
just
does look really nice right there, honestly.
like unbelievable, but obviously we're not going to be able to get over to there.
No.
No way, Jose. I had no idea that it was this shitty.
It's very steep right here.
Yeah, and you get down there, you're never getting back up.
No.
That's where you need a boat.
Boat would be nice here.
Yeah.
Some people over.
Oville.
Oh well.
Would there be a fish just like right here to drop the fly in?
Maybe. Likely no.
Yeah, I was going to say, it looks like there's no movement or any flies moving around here, you know. But right where that water is dropping in over there,
Yeah, that would be a
it looks almost exactly like that pool where I caught the fish, just in a bad spot for us. Unless we felt like swimming without waders on. I got my swim trunks on, I could probably do it. And by the time I got there, I would have hypothermia. And you guys would have to call Sean and telling me that I was checked in the hospital with hypothermia.
Kevin is too ambitious about fishing.
And he's like, dude, just wouldn't let go. He says, no, I can do it. So we're out of luck. Okay.
What's the catch? A bug.
No kidding, right? Look at that.
Should we save it?
That looks like lunch for somebody to me. Some trout's gonna get that sucker and eat him, man. Did you save him?
He said no!
He deserves to die now.
God, I can't believe you got him on the tip of your damn rod. That's hilarious.
Hold on, buddy.
Or just bring him up to me here.
I'm trying. Ah.
I think he's gone.
No such luck, huh?
I would love to see a shark just come eat it.
The shark.
A big 20-foot rainbow.
You gave it a good effort. Like, you know there's a ton of frickin' flies hatching right in that area. That's like looks like a good spot to catch trout right over there. Alright.
Well, let's head back. Maybe we'll fish that fish again
That same spot?
at that same spot. And then we'll
Just head on
call
home.
it a day and go eat some salmon.
Watch out for those holes, Joe.
I see them.
And then there's another one right here.
Coyote dens, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Well, if the video played out, I don't know if it did or didn't, but if it did, on the GoPro, it's going to be some classic footage. You know?
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, yes.
Oh, and plus you got even if the GoPro's off, you got all those 3 photos. So that was awesome. Did we come this way?
I don't think so.
I don't think we did. This is some dangerous shit right here.
A little bit more precarious.
Did Joe go the other way?
Yeah.
He's no fool. He's no Mr. Pants on the ground guy.
Nope.
Ugh.
Strictly business. Maybe you can.
I did see a fish jump out there where that first vehicle was.
Yeah.
It jumps up and goes whammo and went after a fly.
No fish here, though. I'm fishing.
Huh. What's that?
Joe.
Where'd he go? What did he decide to try?
You see him?
Yeah, I see him.
Oh.
What's he trying to fish?
Just in that little hole.
Is what he's trying to cast out there?
No, I think just in between those logs. But he gave up.
You know, one time I went with Phil, our stepdad, and Billy, and we went to the little Rio Grande River that's between Taos, New Mexico and Angel Fire, New Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
And he goes, you know, and Billy and I weren't catching crap the whole day, and Phil says, you know, I think there's a big trout right in this, it was like a riprap, a chunk of tire, like something like that, but there was this tire just sitting there. He dunks his line right inside the tire, and he catches a rainbow like that. And we're going, what the hell?
That's fun.
I was just telling Sheridan that our old stepdad that you heard Kelly talk about, Phil,
Yeah.
we were up at Little Rio Grande between Taos, New Mexico and Angel Fire, New Mexico, and we didn't catch anything.